Yeah, Buddha blesses me. Hey, back it out with.
All right, a lot of questions about like the Decennium, the first one, and how it was crashed because we never really put a video out explaining that.
Oh, yeah, that was not a fun scenario, obviously. I was basically coming back to the shop for a final test drive, just making sure drivability was fine, and I wasn't really doing anything other than keeping up with traffic, and I just had some mom in a minivan yelling at her kid in the back seat that just floored it across 4 lanes to go the opposite direction of me, and I was within like 2 feet of avoiding her, because obviously who would expect the last second for some minivan just to huck it out. Yeah, so I avoided the minivan, but having to turn the car as hard as I can to the right and go around the back of the minivan, I ended up sliding into a tree. So
Yeah, you jumped the curb and there was a bunch of little things that kind of
another mom on the other side of the road went off the road in another minivan on the other side because the freaking mom that cut everyone off just was not paying attention at all, and she's welcome I didn't hit that minivan like T-bone it with her kid facing me. So
definitely.
yeah, so I don't know. It was just one of those split second decisions where.
And it is what it is. I mean, it definitely sucks that the car was ruined.
Yeah, but I was fine.
Now it's in good hands and it's getting rebuilt. So it's being revived.
The most important. The most important thing is that I'm getting through it. I'm still dealing with some bulging discs and stuff that happened after the fact from the whiplash and stuff like that, and I'm still dealing with some stuff, but I'm fine. That mom was fine. Everyone else was both of those moms were fine, and
ultimately the car's fine.
Yeah, the car. It was definitely a weird scenario, and I guess it probably
worked out.
Everything happens for a reason at the end of the day. So if it makes other people happy, the original owner of that car he's an amazing guy. Yeah, he's got a new one too, and
insurance covered it.
Yeah, so it's so it is what it is, but it's a short and sweet story.